Some of the key habits of confident people we can adopt easily. First of all, wake up ready. Write your to-do list the night before. In the morning, one of the first things that crosses your mind is what you have planned for the day. Mark Twain has said, the secret to getting ahead is getting started. Second, rest like a queen. Getting a good sleep is about making your health a priority. 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night will leave you feeling refreshed and ready for the next day. Muhammad Ali said, don't count the days, make the days count. Third, meditate. Meditation helps retain focus, reduce anxiety, and increase creativity. Think of meditation as a mini meeting with yourself. Meditation is about getting still enough to know the difference between the voice and you. Fourth, repeat affirmations. Repeat 3 to 5 positive affirmations in the mirror each day. Whatever you are, be a good one. Abraham Lincoln said. Fifth, make smart goals. Goals are very important factor in your success. A goal properly set is halfway reached. Zigzagler. Sixth, network. So make it a point to network with the people at all level within your company. The man at the top of the mountain didn't fall there. Vince Lombardi. Seventh, streamline responsibilities. Learn to build a routine around the tasks that you have to do daily or weekly. This streamlines your day, provides structure, and builds good habit. Eighth, make socializing a priority. We are humans, so some form of social interaction is a need for us. The happiest people are 2 times more social than saddest. Make a budget. The saying goes, a budget is you telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Too many people spend money they earned to buy things they don't want, to impress people that they don't like. Will Roger. Truly said, we don't spend money to buy things we want. Rather, we want to impress people that they don't like. Really, we shouldn't be doing that. We should spend according to our needs. Always. Don't. 10th, donate to charity. Donating to the causes you care about not only benefits the charities themselves, but it can be rewarding for you too. It feels good and strengthens your personal values. 11th, increase your vocabulary. Communication is very important. To take it one step more advanced, try writing a sentence with the word of the day in it. This will help solidify the unfamiliar word you just learned. It's fun and it's practical. A reader lives 1,000 lives before he dies. The man who never reads lives only one. George R. Martin really said the 2 words. 12th, stay curious. Always continue educating yourself through various means. Reading is essential for those who seek to rise above the ordinary. 13th, declutter your space. It means you have more of what you need. You are able to enjoy everything you have and aren't worried about what you don't. Always focus on what you have. Don't focus on what you don't have. You have everything. You have many things that people dream of. So always focus on what you have. Minimalization is an appreciation of space. 14th, know what's going on in the world. 15th, walk 15 minutes every day, whether it's in the morning or on your lunch break. Commit to spending time in the fresh air and outside of the 4 walls of your house or office. Make the rest of your life the best of your life. 16th, realize that comeback is always stronger than setback. Don't ever think that I can never come back or I can never set back. motivate yourself, and there are no mistakes, always lesson. You always learn from your mistakes, so never discourage yourself. Just nourish, grow, inspire, and let every lesson be a brick in the foundation of building yourself. I hope this tutorial will help you to making yourself strong and gives you the key habits of confident people and makes you a confident people. Thank you so much for all the support you are giving. Please do subscribe, like and comment to our YouTube channel, Rubal Solutions. Love, love. Have a nice day.